If you're like me, you've watched about 1,000 dropshipping videos on what platforms to use, how dropshipping is so beneficial, how you can start a boutique with no money, but then none of them really show you how to connect the dropshipping site with your Shopify store using one of my favorite vendors, Dear Lover. Well, stay tuned because I'm about to show you how to do it in about 4 easy steps. The first thing you want to do is pull up your Shopify store. Once you get to your Shopify store, you want to go over to your apps and you want to click add. This pop-up screen is going to come up and you want to go down to Shopify App Store here and click it. Going to pull up your app store. Now, in search, you want to search for Dear Lover Dropshipping. As you can see, it pops up right here. Let's click it and we're going to go over here to your left-hand side and click install. Now, you'll see this little pop-up screen and you want to go ahead and click install again. And here is where you need to sign in. If you have not signed in for a Dear Lover dropshipping account, you can sign up on your right-hand side. If you are an existing customer, go ahead and sign in here and click sign in. All right, so now that you are in, you're going to, you see that they have a checklist here. So where it says Shopify, you want to go ahead and click connect and then put your Shopify store here and click connect. Okay, so then you have the screen that your store has successfully been connected and now you can add your products. So what I'm going to do is, this is an item right here that I already have coming and I want to add this particular item to my store. So I'm going to click the picture and it says imported successfully. Let's add another item, and just for the sake of time, I'm just going to pick the same item here. And now it is imported successfully. All right, so now I want to move over to my product, my import list, and it's here. So you see success, and then I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to push to store, and now it's pushed. Let's go back over to our Shopify store. I'm going to refresh that. I'm going to go to my products, and now you see that I have the 2 products already in my store. Now, I know some of you may ask, like, can we edit them? Yes, so here's the title. So if you want to change the title, you can change the title right here of your item, and it automatically puts the size chart in there. And so if you want to change the description and maybe put something else, this is a cute grab and go set for running all of your errands. I would also suggest adding like the material and things like that, because those are things that people like to see. But you have it in there. It has all of the media, all of the pictures. If you have your own media, you can click here and add your own pictures. Now, this is where you can set your pricing right here for, this is the suggested retail price, or you can set your own price and you will change it here. And once you finish with all of your changes, you click save. And then I want to go back to my products. I want to pick the second item, and then I want to go to manage sales channels, and I want to have them offered on everything, and I'm going to click done and save. And there we have it. Now it shows under our new arrivals and it is ready for people to shop and buy. All right, guys, so you see it is simple, it is quick, and it is easy to add your Dear Lover dropshipping directly to your Shopify website. If you have any other questions on how to do this, anything about drop shipping, about Dear Lover, just make sure you leave me a comment and I will answer in the comments. Or if it's something that deserves another video, I'll definitely do it on the video. And the next video to be looking out for is if you are a TikTok shop seller, I'm going to show you how to put this on for TikTok. You guys kind of saw it a little bit already, but where you're also able to have TikTok as a selling platform as well. So until the next video, and if y'all need any other how-tos, just let me know. Drop them in the comments below. And as always, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share this. Do not forget to comment. And once again, I thank y'all so much. Bye.